front of me is TECNO Pop 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. You can fix it though by selecting this gear next to Password Manager, making sure that Over to Save Passwords option is on, and then logging in to one of your apps. You need to select Allow in Password Manager pop-up, and this way your password will appear over here. Now to add any other one from those settings, you'll be able to finally select this plus next to Search Passwords. At the top, you need to enter your website data or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now enter all of those informations, like username or email address, password, and some helpful notes. When you finish, just tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully added to Google Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!